Good morning, folks. You join me again in a wet car. One big issue living in North Wales, I really want to film this outside, but it's pouring down, so the car will do. So it's just a quick little update really, explaining what's going to be coming up on the channel soon. Back when I first got a camera, got my first ever DSLR, and I had no idea how to use it, my main resource for learning was YouTube. There's loads of great videos out there, but I was always having to search for different things. I could never really find everything in one channel, so that's what I'm going to try and fix. I'm sure there are many channels who have covered all the basics of photography, but I'm going to go right back to the basics, starting right off with things like exposure triangle, shutter speed, aperture, ISO, all of that. Just cover it dead basically for any new beginners, and hopefully start off a little camera basics series. So yeah, it'll be all in one place, all in one channel. I'll start a playlist with it as well, so that all nicely set up, and hopefully some of you will admire it, take something from it, learn from it. But at the end of the day, the main thing about photography, if you want to call it an art, it's subjective. The final product is down to you. All I'm going to be teaching is how to use the camera, your tool basically, to come up with that final image. So that's very simply what I've got planned in the coming weeks and months for this channel, and I'll still be doing my usual heading off in the mountains, around the lakes and all that. So yeah, make sure you hit subscribe down in the bottom corner, and I look forward to getting these videos out to you. So I'll see you then.